Welcome back to another video. In the previous video we had a look at the Python's built-in library and how to utilize it. In this video we will have a look at how to download and install external libraries for Python. So where do we get these external libraries from? So just like software, they are in various locations and you would have to find them on the internet, but a good place to start is at pypi.org. Let's open up the browser and have a look at that. So we can download packages and libraries from pypi.org. So these packages you can install with something called pip. Pip is a package management software used to install and manage software packages. It makes things seamless when you are installing libraries and packages. But other places you can download packages from would be places like GitHub, Bitbucket and Anaconda. So if I open up another browser and from Google I can type something like Anaconda packages and we can see here Anaconda package list. And Anaconda aims to simplify package management and deployment. It is more focused towards data science packages suitable for Windows, Linux and macOS systems. Anaconda uses a different package manager than pip. It's called Conda. However, going back to Python PI, so PyPI stands for Python Package Index. The Python Package Index is an index of open source libraries or Python packages that have been contributed by the public community that we can download and install, and of course use it for whatever we need, for whatever purpose we need it for. In fact, if I scroll down we can see it says the Python Package Index is a repository of software for the Python programming language. PyPI helps you find and install software developed and shared by the Python community. And you can learn more about it here. But pip is the Python installer package for PyPI and it comes pre-installed with Python. So if it comes pre-installed with Python, you can imagine it's quite fundamental to Python. So this is definitely the source for packages, although there are many other sources as well. Just to give you an indication, there are approximately 140,000 libraries out there. So going back up, we can search for the project we want, or we can use the browse project and it gives you a filter to browse with. So at the top you've got framework, then topic, development status, license and so on. The topic one is always a popular one for me. I like to view things by topic. For example, you can download something if you're interested in databases, desktop environments. Further down there's games, we can see education, we can see games and entertainment and so on. Board games. Let's click on one and see what we get. So if I click one of these, it might be a good example, it might not be. So we can see the release date of this package and there's not much detail in here, so that's a bad example. Let's scroll down. Let's have a look at this one, a library for reading and writing files using the smart game format. Whatever that means, let's open up the tab. And we can see there's a project description and how we download it and the documentation for it, etc. So it gives you information about the library and how to download it and use it. And it's even giving you a link on how we would download it. So it's pip install and then the package name. We can actually download this package. So let's copy the link. And you can share your own packages here, by the way. You just have to register and follow some instructions. With all these packages, you can install them using the pip installer. This is a very simple way of installing packages right from your console. And the command prompt is used to install the Python package. So let's open up the command prompt. Let's ensure Python is installed. Python -- version would be a good one. And we can see it confirms the Python version. We could have also done just Python, which would have entered us into the Python console, but we don't want that. So for pip, what we do is we can just type pip actually to see what we get, and we see some information about pip. So it's telling us how to use pip, which means it's already installed. I can see version here, so it looks like it uses the same command as the one here, Python -- version. So let's try that as well to see what version is installed. Pip -- version, and we can see it's pip 22.3.1. that's installed on this local system. If it's not installed, we would receive an error message. Otherwise we receive instructions on how to use the program. actually at the top I could see install packages, different command options, download, uninstall, freeze, inspect, list, etc. So you've got lots of options with pip, but the one we want is the install option, the one that we copied from the link from the website here, pip install sgf-mil. So let's try that. And if I right click, it's pasted what I copied from the website, pypi.org, and let's hit enter. So it looks like it's done it because it says installing collected packages, and then it says successfully installed sgf-mil. It's even telling me a new release of pip is available and how I would update that as well. By the way, if you don't have pip available on your Python version, it comes with most Python versions unless you downloaded it from elsewhere other than python.org. You can go to the browser and type something like get pip, and if we go to the top link we see how we would install pip. So it says pip is automatically installed if you are working in a virtual environment using Python downloaded from python.org or using Python that's not been modified by a redistributor to remove. And then it gives you information on how to install pip. But for us, we've got it installed, and we've also installed a package using pip, and it was quite seamless. We didn't see anything, it just installed it. So the way we would verify that this application has been installed, we can type pip list-v, and this shows us the packages installed on our system. So we can see sgf-mil has been installed, and we can also see the version as well as the location.